Good morning, children. We'll begin the class with median in continuous series. Okay. Now there's a question on the board which I have written. Calculate the median from the following data. Age is given 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and so on, right up to 55 to 60. At the side, frequencies are given. The frequencies are given for the class as well as the age. Now, in the continuous series, the first thing that we do is find the CF, cumulative frequencies. 14 plus 28, 18, 12, 42. 42 and 33, 75. 75 and 30, 105. 105 and 20, 125. 114, 153, and 160. So we have the cumulative frequencies of the frequencies. That was the first step. The second step is there is a slight change in the formula which you were using yesterday. Yesterday you were using median is equal to size of n plus 1 upon 2 item. Wasn't it? Here you will use median is equal to the size of n by 2 item. In a continuous series, the formula becomes n by 2 item, 2 upon, okay, not n plus 1 upon 2. That is the biggest difference. So here, median is equal to the size of n's value is 160. 160 upon 2 is equal to the 80th item. Now the 80th item we will see in the CF. Where does the 80th item lie? The 80th item will lie here pointing to class number this. So we write median lies in class interval 35 to 40. 80 lies here. Now what is the median value? For that, there is an extension of the formula. The formula would now say median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I. Okay, to find out what is that median, we know any answer will be between 35 to 40. That is your clue. That is where the answer will lie. But what is that value? To find that value, we have what we call an extension of the formula, which is median is equal to L1, where L1 stands for the lower limit of the class. The class interval is 35 to 40. What is the lower limit? 35. N by 2 is what we have calculated, 80. CF, wherever it lies, the one above that. So the CF will be 75. F stands for frequency, it lies here. So the frequency will be the one just opposite it, in front of it. Okay, that is the frequency, and I stands for the class interval. Have you understood? L1 stands for the lower limit of the class. We know it lies between 35 to 40. N by 2 we write over here, 80 lies here. So CF will be the one above, and frequency will be the one in front of it. I is the class interval. Okay, so now let us use the values. Median is equal to, what is the lower limit? 35 plus n by 2 is 80. We are calculating here n by 2 minus CF is the one above that, 75. Frequency is the one at the side of it, or front of it, 30. I is 5, that is class 5. Now, median is equal to 35 plus 80 minus 75, 5 is 25 upon 30. Isn't it? 80 minus 75, 5 into 5, 25 upon 30. Now, 5 is 25, 5, 6 are 30. And now if you can further bring it down, it will be 0.83. So adding it up, median is equal to 35 plus 0.83, so it becomes 35.83. So you see the answer will lie in between this class and 12. Once again, let me explain it to you. The question says, calculate the median from the following data. The data is given in the form of ages and frequencies. The first thing that we do is, the frequencies are cumulated, added. So 14 plus 28, 42 plus 33, so we get a CF, and we have the CF done. First step. Then, like I said, in the individual and in the discrete series children, we were finding on median with the formula of median is equal to size of n plus 1 upon tooth item, wasn't it? So for individual and discrete series, the formula will be n plus 1 upon tooth item. But in a continuous series, the formula, there is a slight change. The change is median is equal to size of only n by tooth item. Now median is equal to size of n value is the maximum 160. 160 upon 2, 80. 80th item. Where do we spot the 80th item? We look for it in the CF. 80th item will lie here. You can circle it. Why do you circle it? This will help you to identify your CF and your F, because to find out, we will say median lies in class interval, this is the 105, it lies in class interval 35 to 40. So I know my answer has to be any value between 35 to 40. This is what it says. Now what is that value? To find that value, there is an extension in the formula which says median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I, where L1 stands for the lower class limit, that is 35. N by 2 is already what we have calculated, 80. CF, when you have circled, is the one above that. And frequency F is the one in front of it or at the side of it. I stands for the class interval. 20 to 25, 25, 30. What is the class interval? 5. So now putting those values in the formula, L1 is 35, the lower limit. N by 2 is 80, which we have calculated. Minus CF is the one above, 75 upon F. F is the frequency in front of it. I is power. So median is equal to 35 plus 80 minus 75 is how much? 5. Directly you can multiply 5 by 5, 25 upon 30. 525, 5, 6, 30. 6 will go to 50, 0.83 times. This add up to the 35, you get 35.83. I hope I am clear and I have understood, you have understood what I was telling you. If it is so, may I have a reaction, please? Good, thank you. Very few reactions. Very good. So I am clear. Copy this down, please. Copy it down quickly. Then I'll wipe the board. We will do one more question. Have you copied it? One, two, three. Okay, good. So I wipe out the board. You can always refer back to the video which is uploaded, just in case you have missed out something. Now next is calculate the median from the following data. Marks are given. Marks are given from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. The frequencies are given, number of students. The frequencies are given as 15, 20, 25, 15, 20, 25, then 24, 12, 24, 12, 31, 71, and 52. Okay. That is the question. Calculate the median from the following data. It's a continuous series. We identified by the class intervals. First is CF, cumulative frequencies. 15 plus 20, 35. 35 plus 25, 60. 60 plus 24, 84. 84 plus 12, 96. 96 plus 21, 127. 198. 8, 10, 9, 10, 14, 200 and how much is that? 52, 127, 190, 250. Correct. First step is done, we calculated the CF. Now, median is equal to the size of n by 2 item. Median is equal to size of n value is 250 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 125th item. It's the 125th item. Look at it, look for it in the CF. 125 will lie here in front of this class. So we'll say median lies in class interval 50 to 60. Our answer we find somewhere between that. What is that value? To find that value, we have the extension in the formula median is equal to N1 plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into I. Median is equal to lower limit is 50. N by 2 we calculated 125. 125 minus the 96. Frequency the one at the side, 31 into class interval is 10. Okay. Median is equal to 50 plus 125 minus 96 will give me 29. 29 times 290 upon 31. So if you take it in the rough and directly divide it, you will get approximately 9. It would be 9.3 and 5. Median is equal to 50 plus 9, 59.35. Children, you can also work one place of decimal, 9.3 also exact time. If you are running out of time, there is no problem. But if you have the time, you can work up to maximum 2 places of decimal and then leave it. No need to go on and on. Okay, 1 place of decimal acceptable, 2 places of decimal allowed. More than that, please do not waste your time. Because in any case, the answers in statistics are always an approximation. Okay, so this is how you find your median in a continuous series. Simple, isn't it? Yeah. All you have to do is remember the formulas. And remember the formulas in such a way that median, when we are having an individual and a discrete series, remember your formula for calculating is n plus 1 upon 2 item. And I told you how to recognize an individual and a discrete. Individual will be just the value by itself. A discrete will have the variable under study plus the frequency at the side. A continuous series will always be in class intervals. Okay, that is the recognition. Okay, then since you recognize the series and the continuous, first step is change your F into CF, cumulative frequencies, by adding your frequencies. Then the second step is write the formula. Median is equal to size of n by 2 item. Remember, median is a positional average. It shows you the position. That's why we show you which item, where it is. Is that okay? Then median is equal to size of n value is 250 upon 2. It is the 125th item in our list. Median is the 125th item. Where would you find that 125th item? In the CF. 125th item would be here. Circle it. Like I said, circle it. Because then this helps you to identify the CF and the F very quickly. Wherever the value lies, the one above is the CF, and wherever the one at the side, that is your F. Now, what is that value? To find that value, we say median lies in the class interval of 15 to 16, and we say median is equal to L1, which stands for the lower class limit, minus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I, where n by 2 is what we calculated, 125. CF, like I told you, is the one above, frequency is the one on the side, I is the class interval. Put those values in the formula, work it out. 125 minus 96 is 29. 29 times 290 upon 31. Take it in the column and divide it. Divide it and work to, if you are running out of time, 1 place of decimal will do 9.3. Otherwise, maximum 2 places of decimal. If you work, if it goes on, just stop at it. We don't need 2 places of decimals. Okay. Add this 9 to 50, 59.35 is your answer. And this lies between 50 and 60. This is another indication to show you your answer is correct. The answer will be between this value, 50 to 60. Is that okay? Have you understood, children? May I get a reaction from you? Very good. Good. Yeah. Good. So more or less, all of you have understood. Okay? That's nice. Good. Now, we got just about 5 minutes. Can I give you the question to do at home? Will you do it? Try it out. Because see, when you do it by yourself, confidence, you will get confidence as well as you have a practice. Okay. So I'll give you one question. Okay. Yeah. Write down. Calculate the median from the following data. Let me change the values. Keep it the same marks, but students here is 3, 10, 17, 7, then 4, 2, 1, 3, 10, 17, 7, 7 plus 6, 4, 2, 1. Children, this is your data. Simple. You can give me the answer tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, what is below 17?
Sorry?
Sir, what is below 17?
17, 7. 3, 10, 17, 7, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Okay? That is your data. Calculate the median from the following data. So let us revise. What would you do? First of all, you will find the CF. Then you will write the formula. Whatever the maximum you put it, you will tell where it lies. And then substitute the values in the formula and get the answer. It is as simple as that. Is that okay, children? Any more questions to be asked? Any more queries? If anyone has anything, you can be free, unmute yourself and please ask. You can start doing it right now. Don't wait to do it later on. You can start doing it. As soon as I'm running out of time, I shall wish you goodbye and meet you tomorrow. Yeah? So start doing it. And you must see, statistics is all about practice. The more you practice, you don't have to learn these formulas. It will come very simply to you. And work the same questions over and over again. Take practice. Practice. The more you practice, the more you will get speed. And exam time, you will have no problem. You will be very clear in what you are supposed to do and how to do. Okay? So then, children, I will leave you clear. Hoping you will do this question and give me the answer tomorrow. Yeah? So tomorrow is the Saturday's open day. Of course, now Monday I will come back to economics. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I will pick economics, and then Thursday, Friday starts. Okay? So all of you have a nice day and be safe.